Hi folks, today is December the 12th. I'm going to look at taking an oil barrel trade today. It's just about 9 o'clock in the morning, and I saw that we had this setup occurring. The Williams R is crossed below the purple line and it's popped back up, and actually let's go ahead and place buying a stop.
Order pending.
Right here.
Order pending.
Alright, as you guys can see
Order
here,
filled.
this system does not repaint. Once this turns green, it stays green, which is always a good thing. What we're looking for is the green arrow, green price bar, and the green center bar. That's what we're looking for here. And we had all three of those line up perfectly. We can go ahead and place a stop here.
Order pending. Order pending.
That'll take out both of our trades. We'll go ahead and place another one here. Actually, about right here.
Order pending.
And we'll only take off one at this point and leave the second one to run and just manage that. Alright, so we're now in the trade. Everything looks good here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys once something of interest happens. Alright folks, the market is starting to push up our way here. Been up a little more than 250 at this point. Now it's leveling off. Took a little while for us to punch through this level here. Like I said, this system, it gets us into trades pretty early. So we had to deal with a little sideways action here, but I found that to be typical. But eventually, it does usually punch through. And like I said, that's something that occurs a lot with it. And it's good to be in as early as possible in these moves, so no complaints there. Alright, so once we actually go through our first take profit level, I'll come back. I just wanted you guys to see that we have pushed into profit considerably, and I'll be back shortly. Alright guys,
Order filled.
about one, well actually it just went right through our take profit level. So with that, we took our first take profit. I'm going to move this up to break even +1. Change this to one contract since we only have one left.
Order canceled.
Since we only have one left, as you guys can see here. And now we are just going to trail this and manage that second trade the way they tell us to in the back office in the system itself. Which means we're now waiting for a red candle, red price bar, not a red candle, but a red arrow, red price bar, and a red center line. And that's going to give us our indicator that it's time to jump out of the trade. Alright, so with that being said, I will be back with you guys once that occurs. Alright guys, just wanted to show you we just got a red arrow. That's just one of the indicators we're looking for here. Now we have to see if this bar is going to close red. And for all we know, it'll just quickly spike down and take us out. But we'll just have to be patient and see here. Because I've seen several occasions, or there have been several occasions, where we got even two of these indicators, and then the market simply just turned around and continued going in our favor. So you never can tell. But if this bar closes red, that's another indicator that the market is most likely about to turn here. And then after that, the last thing we'll be looking for is the center line to turn red. But we're a few ticks away from getting taken out here. And I expect that this center line is going to be used as a level of support. So I'm hoping that it's just going to bounce off of it. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next update. Alright, we just came insanely close from getting stopped out. We were actually about 2 ticks away. The market gave us a really quick spike down, and I was sure it was about to take us out, so I wanted to make sure I caught that. I'm thinking we're going to be switching directions here pretty soon.
Order filled.
And there it is. And there's the red center line. Most likely it won't stay until this bar closes, so we would have honestly just had to wait, but we were able to make $260 on that trade. Not bad at all. So that's going to be it for this trade. You guys can definitely get more information by clicking the link below. Thanks and take care.